Cáncer de pulmón está una causa principal de muerte de cáncer entre gente hombre y mujer.
We still have a ways to go to draw the right awareness around this very deadly and morbid disease.
Es una preocupación muy grande. Detectar cáncer de pulmón de una etapa temprana puede aumentar significativamente la probabilidad de vida.
It's a little challenging to see that it's so underused and so underutilized.
Es algo que debe considerar de riesgo alto. Ta persona que huma, ofte más de 20 años humando. Persona entre 50 y 80 años de edad que huma 2 paki por día.
We have a good deal of patients who are very not forthcoming to their doctors to say that they actively still smoke because they don't want to be judged or shamed. It probably takes longer to fill out the forms for the lung cancer screening than it does to actually get the test done.
Fabiola Angela Hernandez, para Noticia.